So today was like a really busy day. First of all, we had to like in a group of 3 people, so me, Marianna and Kertu. We had to like kind of decide what we want to do for a video game and like what color and what theme. And then we decided on it and we started drawing what was different from other groups because they just took photos from internet kind of. But we actually drew them ourselves, that's why we're not really ready. But it's work in progress and it was really busy and my head is hurting, but I enjoyed it. I also presented like my group presented the work we did. I was talking, since I love talking, as you can see. And we were presenting our ideas, which I find really cool because like we can see what everyone else did and where they get like what's the end point of their work and what they like imagine it as and like what they want to like what message they want to give the players. I think it's cool.
I love Estonia.
Susanna teach Lucas some new words.
Today.
I really enjoyed. I got to write the story for the game and develop the characters and so on. Yeah. Tomorrow we're going to Finland, Helsinki.
Hello guys, today we have gathered here to finish our art project. This is our room in where we have made all this magic happen.
Today has been super productive, one of the most productive days. I'm finishing a set, the last one, where the boss battle is going to happen.
Guys, how has it been for you?
It's been magnificent. We are finishing up, doing our final finishing touches.
Yeah, I'm fixing some of the characters here, but basically building together this Unity game engine based platformer game. And it'll be super nice.
And how has it been, like, teaching us?
Well, I really enjoy it. I overall think that this sharing knowledge and kind of inspiring you guys, it's also so good for me.
Oh, look, that's Charlie.
That's Charlie!
So I think the project has been really awesome. I loved working with all of these people. I think it's really inspiring to work with people that have like different backgrounds and all that. And I am looking forward to the end presentations today. I think it's gonna be amazing. And I think we've all worked really hard to get all those animations and video game ideas and designs. So yeah.
We have just presented our video games and got our certificate. We presented our Charlie to the world.
I feel proud of Charlie, proud of
part of us. I feel sad now because it's over, but it was a really fun experience. I think we've told you that a million times already. but we also got a certificate. And Eric's amazing. I went and hugged Eric because we love Eric.